Want to save money and the planet with green energy? You're in the right place. Welcome to Green Energy Tips. We're here to share practical advice, from solar power setups to energy-saving hacks, to help you live sustainably. Every week, we'll bring you tips, tutorials, and the latest in green tech to make eco-living simple and affordable. Expect fresh videos every week, packed with actionable ideas to cut your energy bills and reduce your carbon footprint. Subscribe now to join our community and never miss an update. Visit greenenergytips.com for more resources and start your green journey today. Hit that subscribe button and let's make the world greener together.